Hello, I'm Mia, and I'm here with PrecisionID. Today, I'll be showing you how to generate Code 39 barcodes in Excel on a Mac. Code 39 is one of the easiest barcodes to use because all that is needed to be encoded in the data in the barcode is a start-stop character at the beginning and ending of the data being encoded. Download your product and save it to a place you can easily find it. At this point, we will install the font. Open up the compressed folder you downloaded that contains the Code 39 font. Once you're in that folder, open the Fonts folder and you'll see a lot of different fonts. The last two characters determine the height of the barcode font. Fonts with a T before the number indicate fonts with a text interpretation. That means it's a text font. In this example, we are going to use a text font, specifically T04 because it works in Excel the best. Open the font and choose to install it. Once it's installed, you can close out of the font validation. At this point, our font is installed, so we can go into Excel. And I'll show you how to set up a column of barcodes from data in another column. Now that you're in Excel, we're going to generate a barcode in column B from the data in column A. Enter a formula that adds an asterisk to the beginning and ending of the data in column A. In this example, we will use this formula: equals, quotes, asterisk, quotes, ampersand, A2, ampersand, quotes, asterisk, quotes. This is a formula if you click on cell B2. It's a formula that takes the data from column A and appends this asterisk to the beginning and ending of the data. The asterisk is a start-stop character in the Code 39 font. Now that we've done that, we can choose a font for this cell. You would choose the PrecisionID font. That is the one ending in T04. If Excel is running and you install the font, it may not show up until you shut down Excel and open it back up again. Select the Code 39 font. You should size your column to be a bit wider than the barcode and center the barcode. Choose column B. Click on the whole column and choose the center option. It adds a little space before and after the barcode so that the scanner can scan it really well. At this point, we're going to click off of the columns. Then click on the box itself, B2. Press Copy. Using the clipboard option, which is Edit, Copy. Select from B3 all the way down to B10. Then paste your formula. You should see the barcodes appear in the column. If you click away from that area, You can see that the text font we used is showing the data that's encoded. Changing the data in column A will change the data in the barcode. If you change the data in column A, you can see that the barcode in column B dynamically updated. That's how you generate barcodes in Excel. If you don't want the asterisk to show up at the beginning, you can use parentheses instead. To do this, we would modify the formula. For example, in cell B2, change the asterisk to the open parentheses, and then change the other asterisk to a closing parentheses, and hit Enter. As you'll see, the asterisk at the start and stop character is gone. However, the start-stop character is still in the barcode. If you have any questions, please refer to the user manual or support Q&A at PrecisionID.com.